Hello everyone, I'm Sikandara Aburaki from Tut24. In my last video of ECMAScript 2015 language specification or ES4 standard implemented in JavaScript series, I tried to explain about let and constant. Today I am going to discuss about arrow function and lexical this. First of all, if I write var my function is a simple function, anonymous function, uh, if I give some argument here like x and y and return result, and if I call this function 5 as argument and passing two values, I'm saving it and let like my function, and I'm cancelling out and I'm opening the console log. Here we see the result 5 6. This is the simple concatenation, so it did not add it. For addition, so by this way we can get the result. Okay, what I'm going to implement now is I am just removing this function keyword, and instead I'm putting this arrow, and let us see the result, the same result. If I change the value and try to see the result, we're getting the result. So this is the arrow function, and I can modify it one step further. And if I save it, I refresh the value, same result. So I can eliminate if there is one expression or statement, in that case I can remove this. See, the same result is coming. Now if I do the same thing with single argument, and write x plus x is equal to you see we are passing one value and we're getting this. Even if our argument is single, in that case we need not to have this parenthesis. You see the result. So this is arrow function. Now it it is actually the shorthand form of the function. Now I'm going to show another thing. If I write another function like function get info, and I'm passing two arguments like name and age. Name, or for example email, and I can write this dot name is equal to name, and this dot email is equal to email, and we can attach one method with this function, object function. So before doing that, let me do one thing. Let secondary is equal to new, changing the name, I'm instantiating its one object here from here, secondary and email gmail.com. Okay, now if I write like function dot prototype dot result is equal to function And if we return function, and if I write console log this dot name and email, this dot email, and what I will have to do here, this I'll have to change this, otherwise we will face some error. And we'll have to call second object dot its method result. So if we save it and refresh, nothing is happening. Okay, we handle this thing in this way, because in this scope we will not get this value here. If I give this here, it will give some undefined, so it will not work. So I'll show you later. Now to make it functional and making it as a self-executing function, here you see this is our function, and we are managing this by changing it into that. But if we give it here this, what would happen? This is will be undefined. It will not give, it will not work. So we manage this thing in this way. Sometimes we do it this, or sometimes we can anything we like some people like to say and write self, you see. So it's up to you, whatever you like. Okay, what is special thing with the arrow function here? Arrow function will the arrow function will share the same lexical this as the surrounding code. How? I am showing you right now. First of all, I am removing the function and making it as arrow function as I did before, and we will no more need this thing, because what I said, share the same lexical this around the scope. So Here we can use this. You see here it is working. So you see the result here, and arrow function actually they are syntactically similar to the C# and Java, like high level programming languages. So this is the facilities by using the arrow function. Now I'm going to show you another thing. If I make some array, employees is equal to array, yes, like I am giving some name, and these are my array values. Now to iterate this array, I'm going to use some iteration for let name or employee of employees, and console log employee. So let me see. Now if you write some array object, name and age, and here employee dot name age. So we can use the array object in the iteration also. So It's very simple, you know. Now I am going to show you something which is very cool in ECMAScript 2015 specs, and that is called template literals. Actually, in ECMAScript it is termed as template string. So I'm just going to show it now. It is very cool feature. Uh, let name equal to Sikandar. Let age equal to 35. Let salary is equal to 15,000. Let info is equal to if I write the employee name is name and uh, if I want to use the multiple line, then I can write and his is and his salary is salary. This is the thing. By this way we can write multiple lines. And one more thing, we'll have to output our info, console log info, save it and refresh the browser. Oh, I forgot to click the concatenation. Yes, the employee name is Sikandar, and is an seller. We could print it in a single line, that is not a problem, but if we would like to showing the multiple lines, if we want to handle the multiple lines, in that case we will have to show it in this way. So one cool feature, that is the backticks provided by the ES6. I like it very much. I hope you will like it also. Let we can call it as info2 and to need it, and we can use the variable not in this way, like dollar second bracket braces, whatever you call it, and not need anymore this concatenation, and same will go for here, variable, and here also. And no quotation, single or double, and finishing backtick here. So so you see how cool it is, how clean and how simple to use the backtick in template literal. And we can use the variable here inside the string so easily with the help of $sign and braces. So it is very cool. And I think you will like it, and hope it will be informative for you. And I'll be back with some new features in my next video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. So take care.